Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at quite and pretty, as in, the weather is quite nice, or the weather is pretty nice. Both words are very similar in meaning. They both mean less than very and more than a little. The only real difference between the two words is formality. In spoken English, we'll use pretty more than quite. In written English, we'll use quite more than pretty. Jane lives quite near me, so we see each other pretty often. Or, I'm surprised you haven't heard of Uncle Geoff. He's quite famous. Or, he's pretty famous. Not very famous, but a little bit famous. So there we are. Quite and pretty. Easy peasy with Uncle Geoff, who's pretty famous. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.